Back for part 2 of the Memphis Housing Authority, picking up where we left off. I got 34 cables ran yesterday, and my first pull today is going to be these 4 cables. One of them is going in this office right here, and the other 3 continue down, and they're going to go through this wall, so I'm going to have to make a sleeve. I'll show you how it's done. Step 1 is drill the hole for the sleeve to go through. After you get the hole drilled, step 2 is measuring how thick the wall is. That way you know how long you need to cut your sleeve. Now that we got the measurement for the thickness of the wall, what I'm using for the sleeve in this case is 1.5" EMT conduit. That's perfectly acceptable by code here in Tennessee. So let me go ahead and get this marked up, cut it down, and get it assembled. Now that it's cut down to length, I'm going to go ahead and pre-assemble one side. So I'm going to take a threaded male adapter and stick it on one end. And then I take a bushing and I screw it onto the threads. Now it's time to insert it in the wall, and I'll go around to the other side and put another male adapter and bushing on the other side. Let's go. Time to take our sleeve. Get it in the wall. Now I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna fire caulk around this. Just finished out the 4 initial runs. There's the first sleeve that I put in, and the cable's coming out. Hits this turn down here. Comes all the way down to the second sleeve I put in, and into the 3 offices. Now that I got those cables pulled and the sleeves installed, it's time to get the last 7 cables pulled off of this IDF. Got all the cables coming from this IDF ran. It ended up being 47 total. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get it bundled up and ready to terminate. I'll be doing the terminations another day, but I'm just gonna get everything prepped and ready to go. Got the new cables in a service loop. Comes down the wall, makes a hoop, comes back up the other side, and then they're gonna go to patch panels in the top couple of U there.